Hello future doctors and engineers and probably a few confused souls जिन्होंने साइंस ली इस बात से कन्विंस होके कि ये बिल्कुल सेफ ऑप्शन है while others might actually enjoy equations and dissecting those frogs. Oh, no judgment here. My name is Dr. Cheshta and welcome to Dr. Cheshta's Life Lab. This is your go-to channel for everything you need to navigate life, from career choices to a slice of life advice with a pinch of humor and a whole lot of real talk. इस वीडियो से हम एक सीरीज़ की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं जिसमें मैं 12वीं के बाद साइंस के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अलग अलग करियर ऑप्शंस के बारे में बात करूँगी, चाहे आपका इंटरेस्ट हो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स में या फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी में. एंड येस, इन द अपकमिंग वीडियोज़ आई विल बी इन्वाइटिंग पीपल फ्रॉम वेरियस करियर फील्ड्स टू शेयर देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड वैल्यूएबल इंसाइट्स सो यू कैन गेट अ डीपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दीज करियर ऑप्शंस. चाहे आपका सपना लैब कोट पहनने का हो या किसी टेक स्टार्टअप का, यहाँ पे सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ है. And today we are going on a journey through magically and occasionally terrifying world of career options after 12th class science. So covering both famous PCB and PCM paths. And yes, I promise this will be way more fun than an organic chemistry class. Ready? Let's jump in. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं साइंस के करियर की बिग डैडी की, दैट इज मेडिसिन. अगर आपके पास फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी है तो आपने उस होली ग्रेल के बारे में ज़रूर सुना होगा जिसे बोलते हैं MBBS. एंड इफ़ यू आर रियली सीरियस तो से हाई टू नीट एग्ज़ाम, या फिर द वे आई कॉल इट एज नो ईजी एग्जिट टेस्ट. यहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ सिखाया जाएगा, बीमारियों को डायग्नोसिस कैसे करते हैं, और ये भी सिखाया जाएगा कि स्टेथोस्कोप कितनी बार आपके गर्दन के चारों तरफ उलझ सकता है. But if you are determined, it's worth every sleepless night and fulfilling your dream of people calling you doctor and your parents proudly telling everybody that मेरी बेटी या मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर है. And you can study at top colleges in India like AIIMS Delhi, Maulana Azad Medical College and Christian Medical College Vellore. And if you are eyeing abroad, then the popular choices are Harvard Medical School, University of Cambridge, and for closer options you can think about National University of Singapore. And अगर आपको MBBS थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग रहा है तो then we have got other cool options like dentistry, which you can get it by doing a BDS, जहाँ पे you will get to wear a white coat except you will be looking into people's mouth rather than their ears. And if you want to mix science with some ancient wisdom and dive into centuries old medicine, then Ayurveda, or BMS as we call it, is for you. And you know what? This field is actually gaining traction in India and abroad. And if you love helping people walk, jump and dance again, then physiotherapy is a good option, and it holds an important place in rehabilitation and recovery healthcare. And please don't forget nursing. It's tough, but it's a very noble path with huge respect. Nurses are very high in demand across India and globally, with a very good job security and a very strong earning potential. Okay, तो आप मेडिकल क्षेत्र का हिस्सा तो बनना चाहते हो, लेकिन शायद मेडिकल स्कूल में you don't want to spend a decade, you know. So no worries. You still can be a superhero behind the scenes with a career in paramedical sciences. So if you like the idea of helping save lives but without holding that scalpel in your hand, then paramedical courses might be a perfect fit. So think of it as being a doctor's right hand, or maybe sometimes left hand, in their life-saving missions. चाहे रेडियोलॉजी से डायग्नोसिस की मदद करना हो या मेडिकल लैब में टेस्ट्स करने हो, और बीइंग दैट पर्सन हु एग्जैक्टली नोज व्हाट गोज बिहाइंड द कर्टेन्स इन एन ऑपरेशन थिएटर, दीज रोल्स आर रियली क्रूशियल टू हेल्थ केयर. आप वो शांत कुशल जीनियस हैं जो मेक श्योर करते हैं कि सब कुछ ठीक तरीके से चले. ट्रस्ट मी, नन ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल्स कैन एक्चुअली फंक्शन विदाउट यू. And after talking about MBBS and all these medicine related fields, let me tell you one very important thing, that please make sure that you do these degrees from a government approved college, university or an institute, so that it's easy for you to get a good job in future. Because इससे आपकी ये जो गवर्नमेंट अफिलिएटेड या गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी होती है, दिस इज एक्सेप्टेबल ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. एंड मोर ओवर द क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन और जो करिकुलम होता है इन गवर्नमेंट अफिलिएटेड कॉलेजेस में वो अपडेटेड होता है एंड इज़ मोर अलाइंड विद द ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड्स, जो कि इंश्योर करता है यू आर फुली प्रिपेयर टू एंटर द फील्ड. So always make sure to choose a reputable accredited institutions for specifically for studying these medical degrees, right? And now let's talk about if you are a person जिसको जानवरों से ज़्यादा प्यार है as compared to human beings. Please don't worry, we are not judging anyone here. Then veterinary science might be calling your name. Think about it that being a vet let you help the pets, wildlife, and even sometimes exotic creatures. Plus, you get to say, yes, I'm a doctor, but for animals. It's a conversation starter, trust me. So to become a vet in India, you need a Bachelor of Veterinary Science degree, and the admission in this particular degree is also through NEET, so please get ready to battle it out with your future human doctor friends. And you can also specialize in areas like vet surgery, animal nutrition, or wildlife medicine. So top colleges in India from where you can pursue these courses, these degrees include IVRI, G.V. Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, and Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. And top colleges abroad, they include Royal Veterinary College, University of London, Cornell University College of Medicine, USA, and University of Melbourne. So now imagine your patients wagging their tails, ना कि वो गुस्से में आंखें दिखाते हुए आ रहे हैं. But be warned, you will need a lot of patience because animals cannot tell you where it hurts. So your job will be part doctor, part detective, and let's be real, part animal whisperer. Okay, so next up is a famous career choice for my physics, chemistry, math people, engineers in the making. Get ready for the infamous BTech, or else I call it the land where sleep is optional but coffee is essential. So BTech के साथ you can specialize in anything from computer science to mechanical engineering. And the top colleges here need no introduction. You already know it. They are IITs for our all local Einsteins and BITS Pilani if you are aiming high. And for those with dreams beyond borders, then MIT, Stanford, and ETH Zurich are top-tier international destinations. And if computers are your thing, then computer science is for you. So if you want to build the next big app, or spend your life coding your way into a future tech billionaire lifestyle, then computer science is perfect. And if machines and gadgets are the things that excite you, then go for mechanical or electrical engineering. And if you love saving the planet, then environmental engineering is the one for you. And one more. So if you all are interested in oldest but now bit overlooked branch of engineering, that is civil engineering, it can be a good option too. So construction industry, as you can see around yourself, is actually a very important field. It plays a very important role to build a country's economy, we can say. So if you like the idea of seeing structures emerge from scratch, then this is the way to go. And if you are still not sure, just tell your family that you're going for data science and they'll nod like they totally understand what it means. Now let's talk about another giant elephant in the room, IT and computer science, because every family needs a free tech support person. So for PCM students who live and breathe coding, BTech in computer science is a solid bet. You could end up coding, making apps, hacking but legally, or just spending endless hours looking for that missing semicolon. So IITs, NITs या VIT में पढ़ सकते हैं, और विदेश में you have options like Stanford, University of California, Berkeley, and Carnegie Mellon University. Now I'll be honest, if you choose this path, you are in for some late nights debugging the code and a lifetime of people asking कि उनका फ़ोन ऑन क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, या फिर उनके कंप्यूटर में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, वो चालू क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. But hey, the job market in this particular field is really hot with emerging fields like artificial intelligence, data science, and cybersecurity, which makes you feel like a superhero. So next up, we'll be talking about chemical and environmental engineering, because someone has to figure out where all those plastic bags are going, you know. So if you love chemistry and combine it with maths and creativity, then this path might be for you. So chemical engineering introduces you to the process involved in making everything from oil to medicine. Meanwhile, environmental engineering sends you on a mission to save the environment, ensuring that we all can live on a clean and green planet. So, for this, also, IITs, NITs, or BITS Pilani are the big institutes that offer these courses. And for someone who is planning to go abroad and study, then MIT, Stanford, and University of California, Berkeley could be your options. And now keep in mind that if you choose this field, you'll probably end up thinking about how to handle that hazardous chemical carefully and how to save our planet. But if you want to make a difference, then this is the field which will make you feel like a true superhero. So that's a wrap for today's video. We have taken a quick journey through the world of career options after 12th science, covering everything from medicine to engineering, computer science, and more. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it. And if you haven't subscribed it yet, then make sure to hit that subscribe button to the channel so that you don't miss out on upcoming videos where we dive into even more career paths and valuable insights. In the next videos, I will be inviting experts from various fields to share their experiences and provide valuable advice so you can get a deeper understanding of these career options. So keep focusing on your studies, dream big, and no matter what path you choose, remember, LifeLab is always there to support you. Before I sign off, let me know which career options you'd like to learn more about. I'm here to help you in any way I can. Until then, take care and good luck.